keeping up with our motto, let learning be a joy and teaching a pleasure. Here we are with the remote teaching and learning process to bridge the gap. Happy learning, students!
A warm welcome to all the students of Thakur Vidyamandir High School and Junior College, Standard 3 Environmental Studies, Chapter number 22, Who Fulfills Our Needs. Air, water, food, and shelter are the basic needs of every living thing. They are our basic needs as well. But human beings have many other needs besides this. For example, we need clothes to wear, teacher to guide us, and a doctor if we fall ill. Different people work to fulfill our needs. Their work fulfills some of our needs as well as their own needs. Such work is called as an occupation. There are various types of occupations. They can be divided into four main classes, which are as follows. First one is nature-based occupation. In this occupation, whatever work is done by people is 100% based on nature, on the environment. For example, agriculture, fishing, etc. The second type of occupation is the manufacture. For example, making of automobiles, making of pots, making clothes, etc. Third one is the trade. For example, selling farm produce and shopkeeping. Here, whatever farm produce is done is sold to the people. It is sent to the people who are in need in different place. For that, trade is done. The last type of occupation is providing services. For example, those given by a teacher, a doctor, and a bank. This occupation gives service to other people and help others when they are in need. Importance of agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation in our country. Everyone in the country gets food because of farmers who work in field. Our food includes such as bhakri, chapati, rice, dals, vegetables and salads. These items are prepared from crops grown in the field. Crops like jawar, bajra, wheat, rice, pulses, as well as leafy vegetables are grown in the fields. Other needs are also taken care of through farming. For example, we get sugar from sugarcane. Textiles made from cotton are used to make garments. Farming of fruits, flowers, and medicinal plant is also carried on large scale. This was it about the importance of agriculture. Now we will be learning about the agro-based occupation. What exactly is agro-based occupation? Agricultural products can be used to undertake many other occupations. It is used to feed cows, buffaloes, and sheep. Thus, as we cultivate the land, we can raise these animals too. We obtain milk, meat, and leather from these animals. Grain is grown in field. It can be used to feed chickens. Fruits grown from farm can be used to prepare squashes, jams, and jellies. Sheep rearing, poultry, animal husbandry, and food processing are all occupations dependent on agriculture. They are called agro-based occupations. In some villages, occupations are family businesses. Sometimes people carry on the work their father and grandfather did before them. However, in our country, we can choose the job we want to do. Industry. In industries, raw materials are obtained and they are processed to make new finished product. A potter making a pot is a type of industry. Initially, potter uncle first obtains good quality of clay. To improve the quality of the pot, he mixes some other substances in the clay. He mixes water in the clay and makes it soft and easy to shape. This is called kneading the clay. He turns the kneaded clay on a wheel to shape the pot. The pot is baked in the kiln to make them hard. A pot is ready. Just as a potter makes pots out of the clay, there are items can be made out of wood, bamboo, flowers, etc. If the products are made at home in a small scale, it is called a cottage industry or handicraft. In the pottery industry, clay is the raw material. Pots are the finished product. The process includes whatever is done to make the finished product, for example, pots, from the raw material, for example, clay. Such process is called an industry. Some factories are big. Many people work there with the help of machines. Your school buses, bicycle, and papers of your textbook and notebook are all products made in the factories. There are such big factories in your district. What we have learned in this chapter: occupations and industries develop out of needs of human beings. We have also learned about different types of occupations and industries. What do you mean by agro-based occupation and also the importance of agriculture? And we have also learned what is meant by an industry and what type of industries are there. Thank you for watching, my dear students. Keep learning and stay safe.